Hey guys, Czar back with you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is 1 o'clock. My favorite candle is about to start right now, and I'm looking at a potential long right here, guys. Watching positive moving average configuration, bullish daily right here. Give me one moment. New candle. Let's wait for it to begin in 10 seconds. Right here, buy stop order, guys, live right here, and I'll explain the trade in a moment. Give me one moment. This is a 2-minute chart. Here we go. Can you see that? Can you envision that right there? New candle has begun. See that on there? On the 30-minute chart. Let me just expand this right up so we can really watch this closely. I would like to see this pull back more. Of course, I'm watching the Three Sisters at all times on a different screen. Just come back from the lunch break. Three Sisters very quickly right here. You see that? All three above VWAP. Here we go. And just got triggered in there. Not a very powerful move, but it's in. So the coin has been tossed. I'm going to put you on pause now and set up my markers. We'll come back and talk about this trade. This is a long trade, obviously, in the NASDAQ, and it's a trend continuation trade. Be right back. And target 1 has been hit, guys. So the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. The 2R moves stop to break even at 1R. Right there has moved their stop to break even because we've hit 1R. So they will either get a 0, a break even, or a 2R, but nothing in between. Now the 1.5R and 2R all or nothing traders are going to sit here and wait to see if we can get up there. We, of course, are, again, getting very close to tapping structure, an important structure. We may not be able to get too much beyond this, but we'll see. It's been a pretty strong move here. Pretty grinding move since I got into this trade, which was at 1:02, I believe. Yeah, 1:02 p.m. and we're now at 2:21. These are 2-minute candles now, so that I could fit them all in. This is a trend continuation trade again. This is my second one today here, and you can see we had this pullback during, well, right before the twilight zone, and during the twilight zone, wick down, found two equal bodies, broke above. I didn't take that break above because that was still in the twilight zone, which is the lunch hour. That's the 12:30 candle. My favorite candle coming out of twilight zone is the 1 o'clock, and sure enough, 1:02 is when I entered, approximately 1:01, 1:02, something like that. But on the break above the prior candle high, positive moving average configuration after the impulse, or the the corrective move back, and then the continuation higher. The Three Sisters were in full agreement as well. See if I can show that to you. To go back to here to see we tapped the VWAP earlier and then drove up higher eventually, right? That was that eventual move that we saw here, here, and of course here in the NASDAQ, the one that we're sitting in. I'll put you back on pause and bring you back. We'll see how this thing develops. We are in fact rejecting right about there, right at the 1R, but at least the primary target of 1R has been met to make this a profitable trade. Talk to you soon. And target 2 has been hit. The 1.5R all or nothing traders left the game with full profitability as well. Just one more player left. Well, I guess you could say 2. The 2R move stop to break even at 1R is still in here. Theoretically, it could come back to break even and stop them out. And we are looking to see if this thing can go even higher. We've now penetrated that resistance area that I mentioned earlier, that structure. But again, guys, this is a trend continuation trade. Lovely bullish configuration on the daily. This trade was taken above yesterday's high, and that's important in terms of multiple time frame confirmation, right? So you can see it here when I place my cursor right there. That again is above right there. yesterday, and many days, well, several days, 2, 4, 6 days highs. If you take this one out, it's 12, 14, even more days than that. And so this is a bullish thing. And then of course we have the bullish 30-minute impulse corrected, very orderly, break above for the impulse to continue again. This is a slow grind higher, but we're getting there, and we're accomplishing some good things here, being super patient. Again, entered this at 1 o'clock, 1:02, and it's now 2:53. We're 7 minutes away from the start of power hour, the final hour of the day. I'll bring you back. All right, guys, we're back, and it's 5 minutes to the close of New York. And as many of you know, we close out the model manually as we wind up the session or wrap up the day. And here we are. I'm closing right now manually at 1 hour. You see that right there? And just got it just in time right there. And locking in that 1 hour just for one of the models. I think maybe it's two of the models. Yes, I'll show it to you, and I'll put you on pause and I'll bring you back. And it's back to that spot, by the way. There we go. And so there's the 1 hour. Put you on pause, bring you right back. And there it is, guys. So you can see by the models that the 1 hour and 1.5 hour all or nothing traders, of course, exited with full profitability. The 2 hour all or nothing and the 2 hour move stop to break even both got 1 hour because we closed manually here at the end of the trading session at 3:57 now p.m. 3 minutes to go until regular trading hours close. Guys, thanks for being here all week and with me today. I appreciate your support and clicking the like button and saying hi in the comments. It's been a good week, even though we had a little dry spell there on Wednesday, no trades. Thursday, 1 trade. And today made up for it with 2 trades, and one was 2 hour, and this one was 1.5 hour, the most extreme target reached. Thanks again, guys. Have an amazing weekend. We'll talk to you soon.